Do you know that we just released a new feature? It's Jenny here, and today I'm going to help you dive right in our latest released feature on Checkout Customizer. With the new upsell subscription feature, we're going to support your online store to convert one-time purchase to subscriptions directly in Checkout Page. And the best thing is, this feature comes with auto integration with third-party app. That means once it's installed, you can use it right away with your favorite subscription app. On the storefront, the subscription upsell button will show directly under item inside the order summary. Once customer clicks on the upsell button, their selection will be upgraded directly in checkout. On the back end of your store, you simply need to set up the subscription plans for your products from a third-party subscription app. Then in Checkout Customizer settings, you can enable the subscription upsell setting inside the custom cart extension. And that's it. With the autopilot setting, you're only one click away to upsell your product's subscription plans in checkout. Craft your own Shopify checkout with Qikify Checkout Customizer.